facts are pretty clear. I did not send nor receive anything that was classified at the time.
That was Hillary Clinton in Winterset, Iowa yesterday, responding to the recent controversy over the private email account that she used while she was Secretary of State. Two inspectors general saying on Friday that classified information was transmitted on the private server that she ran out of her home, but they added that it was not marked classified at the time. That was not the only piece of drama for the Democratic frontrunner yesterday. Clinton's spokesperson announcing in the morning that she had accepted an invitation to testify in front of the House Select Committee on Benghazi on October 22nd. But Republican Committee Chairman Trey Gowdy then disputed that claim, saying that no agreement had been reached. NBC's Kristen Welker is live for us this morning in Ames, Iowa. So, Kristen, two different issues here, but what is the latest on both? Do we know if this testimony is going to be happening on October 22nd? And do we know this issue of did she send classified information? Did she know she was sending classified information? Do we have any clear answer there?
Well, to your first question, it sounds like that date is still being discussed. As you point out, the Clinton campaign came out yesterday and said it's going to be October 22nd, and then the Benghazi committee pushed back on that. There hasn't been a final determination yet. I think that's still up for discussion. As to your second point, Steve, look, this is becoming a big political problem for Secretary Clinton. Every time she wants to be talking about one of her policies, it's overshadowed by more questions about her use of a private email account when she was Secretary of State. Yesterday, I was with her in Winterset, Iowa, where she insisted that she did not transmit any classified information knowingly or receive any classified information. And I asked her specifically, Steve, about the fact that one inspector general said that 4 emails did contain classified information. Take a listen to that exchange. Are you confident that those 4 emails were not classified at the time that you were transmitting them, sending them and receiving them?
Yes. What you have here is a disagreement, which is not all that uncommon in the government.
But Secretary Clinton, doesn't the fact that we're having this debate underscore the fundamental problem with using a private email server
Not at all.
when you were Secretary of State?
No, because this would be the same debate if it were, since the vast majority of everything that I sent and received was already on the State Department system, the unclassified State Department system. In order to respond to FOI requests, you'd have to go through the same process.
Now, Steve, I spoke with some voters after that event yesterday. They are divided about how much of an impact this is actually going to have. Some of her supporters say it's not that big of a deal, but others say they are concerned that this could ultimately hurt her chances, for example, if she were to win the nomination. If you look at the polls, though, the polls do show that the email issue has helped to erode some of the public's trust in her. So that's going to be a challenge moving forward. She is going to campaign here at Iowa State University in just a few hours, where she's going to try to shift the conversation away from these ongoing questions about her email. Today, she's going to start to lay out her plan to attack climate change. Steve.
All right, Kristen Welker live in Ames, Iowa. Let's bring the